Hello, this is today's question. You may want to give it a go, maybe pause the video. And the answer is C. If you got it right, then brilliant, well done. If you found it tricky, we are going to go through it together. Firstly, what I would like to say is that for this type of question, this topic, it will help if you ask questions in the comments. Just by me telling you what to do, you may still have questions. So if you put them in the comment, I will answer you. And then hopefully the video will be useful. Otherwise, maybe not as much, we'll see. So, first thing to do is you would calculate the number of moles. And the first trick of the question is that nitrogen is N2, it's a diatomic molecule, so the MR is 28. So you do 6 divided by 28, that gives you this moles of nitrogen. And once you've got the moles, then you use Avogadro's constant. Avogadro's constant tells you that 1 mole is equivalent to 6.02 times 10 to the 23 particles. And then the trick of the question, the important part is, what is a particle? Particle could be lots of things. It could be molecules, it could be atoms, ions, who knows? It could be electrons, lots of things. But if the compound you have is a simple covalent compound, then the moles are going to be moles of molecules. Therefore, in this case, these particles are going to be molecules. Perfect. So then you can solve this ratio to find x in many different ways. So these are the moles we've got. That will give you x particles. The way I'm showing you here is that I'm writing the moles column as a fraction, if that makes sense, and the particles column as a fraction as well, and they both equal each other. And then what you do is cross multiplication. So 1 times x equals this, 0.214 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23, which is what you have here. And therefore, x equals this number of nitrogen molecules. But that's not the answer, because the question is about the number of protons that you had. So then we have to think about the ratio between molecules and protons. A nitrogen molecule is N2, is made of 2 nitrogen atoms. Each atom is made of 7 protons. So if one molecule has 2 atoms, one molecule will have 14 protons. The number of molecules we have is this one. That will give you x protons. So again, you use the same method as before. You write the molecules column of the ratio as a fraction, which equals the protons column. That's this. Then you cross multiply, so 1 times x equals 1.29 times 10 to the 23 times 14. And that's the final answer. I hope it makes sense. If not, as I said before, feel welcome to put the questions in the comments. I'm going to give you a little present, which is this question here for you to practice. Give it a go. Hopefully it works. If not, let me know. Okay, bye-bye.